Yeah, as a Jamaican, I'm a day here in the US, knowing that I am not getting a W-2 from anybody, and you have a 1099 as a little business owner. Any little thing you do, um, you put it in a, let me tell you, share something with you. So if you're here um, and you want to start a little LLC, you have a little, whether Jamaican or not, but you have a little thing where you are doing, like a little work, like a little side job, and you know that these people are paying you and they send money in your account. Remember, this is not something that you play around with. And I saw people get in trouble with that before. Like you literally know that you're working and you're hustling. You literally know that. It is, you have to pay taxes for it. Because somewhere, somehow, people things are going to backfire on you if you're not paying taxes. So you have to set it up and pay your taxes. Sometimes things happen like 10 years later, it come back and bite you. I was talking to this person once that tell me both of them live into the same house and they are filed separate for taxes, and it backfire upon them. It backfire, and several people said it to me while I've been here. Several people said that to me, and I said, I will not do that. It's not right. This is not my country. I am not going to come here and break any law. I don't care what nobody said, because guess what? Me don't want nobody come all and pull me. Nope. That's not gonna happen. So if a cash you give me, anything you give me I make sure say, this one or something. You see this book? Right. So you see this book? This book, I have sit down and let me show you a blank page. So this book, I'm just showing you a blank page. These are some information. I can't afford to make this go out there. But this is what me call me my notes, my dates, my income, my expense, you know, the total. Everything when me do, write down in here. So when I go to my accountant, all I have to do is take a copy of this. So what I do is write up my receipts them and I file my receipts them, and you take a copy of this. But what I was saying to you, like if you have a little side hustle where you do you sell some products, it will register under LLC, and you still have a little side hustle where you do, like maybe somebody pay you for do, maybe you do look a catering or do look a something for them, or you go do look a hustling, or you go take care of a little patient or something, or you work a one look a place but them give you a little money, them sell your money, them cash up your money, anything like that. You have to register everything. Everything is online. Everything. You have to write down how much money you get. That I come from school. You have to write down how much money you get at the end of the year. Go back through your bank account for every money where them sell you. Go back through your cash app for every money where they pay you, and write down everything. I said, you did get this. First of all, you need to start write them down from the day. Get your look book, write your date, the name who give it to you, and how much. So you want to write them down every single month, every single date, every single thing. Write them down and keep them. Add them up at the end of the year. How much money you earn, and you need to report it to the government. And then that's you pay your taxes from that. You can pay it quarterly. You can pay it in a lump sum. I pay it once every month. So I set up my payroll with ADP, and you can just call them, and then we help you go through the step to set up your payroll. And what you can do is set up even your little Roth IRA, not 401k. I mean, I encourage nobody to do no 401k, sorry. Because at the end of the year, when you retire 401k, you can't take out your money one time and say, I got to pay one whole heap of taxes. That's what I've learned. I heard from people. So with the Roth IRA now, it's not like that. Always a fear fast. It's not like that. So if you want to set up your things, then you just have to do your research, go through your little steps, then, and do what you have to do and do it right. Don't get yourself in no trouble. Just try to do it right. If you have an accountant, you can always call them and ask them questions. Your accountant is the people them that do your taxes. Them also, if you have a question, you can ask them, but you can go directly to ADP and set up your payroll. And them same one we direct you to doing your retirement plan, your 401k. You can always match your own self from your little LLC if you want to do it. If you want to set up, how much you want to set up towards it. But IRA, that is it for me. And as made a share before in a previous video, if you know want to do it that with Roth IRA, you can always put it in at the bank, where in the account we that telling about in the other video. Put it in at the bank, and said that interest is sure every single month. So yeah, guys, you have to prepare, because you can't put planning to leave this earth upon your head. Don't put that upon your head. You want to stay, you want to stay. Don't call down none of that by yourself. Power is in the tongue. And as Vida say, is that set up a little thing. Just set up a little thing and focus on you and focus on where you want to get done. And if you don't need any little information, and drop it in the comment section. If me know anything, me can always text you know. Me can always put it, or if you don't need to know more, you can always follow me on my Facebook page, and me will reach out to you if you don't live here. Because these are for people who live here. If you don't live here, then I may not say couple of on wealth will live here, watch my page. So I may appreciate okay? But if we each one help one and each one teach one, we will grow in this country. We will grow anywhere we go. If we be supportive. But we sometimes so selfish, and we don't want to help nobody. That's not me. And nobody, because all right, somebody was saying don't want to be selfish and just don't care about nobody. Sometimes people they hear and them just want a little advice. Them just want somebody to, motivate them and make them go the next step. Maybe they might think of doing something, but them don't know how to do it. They don't know how to go about it. And it's so good when you me don't know how people feel. When me help somebody, you don't know how me feel, me feel good and me go about my business. Me not help somebody to come back and take it, tell them. That is a different level of something. Me I help you because me want to see you strive. That is why me will help people. Me want to see you elevate and go to the next level. And even if me not see, when me help you, me feel good. Feel so good when you help somebody. Me don't know how some people stay so. Like them feel like the world, them forget the world. Like, me not hide up things. Me can't bother with that. That's just not me. Me can't bother to hide up things. Me want to share it so you can grow too. And if me help you and you want to bad mind me, you to go fall back on, I know me. You to go fall back on. So that's why me not think that we're there. Not think that we're there. We just get on a look a book. We want to put on a notes, on a total, on a income, on a expense. Very important, guys. I have a couple of them here well. Yeah. Me look at things them, man, and me file me look at receipt. File me look at receipt them, and me take down my note. Me write down all of my income, my expense. Me as a woman, for me look at thing. I could have even go to Staples, go print labels and print flyers, and so the money where me pay for my flyer, the money where me print for my flyer, me write it down. Those are my expenses. My toll, my gas, those are my expenses. Me clothes them when me buy for go me do me errands, me whatever. Yes, my lunch, me write down everything. All of me receipt them, me keep them. Me say gas, me car insurance. When me have to drive, for go do me errands, me have to drive my car. If you have a car payment, um, yeah, because you need your vehicle for do your thing. So at the end of the day, all of these are money that come out of what you earn. You understand? So you could able to write them off. And when people say write them off, if you earn a certain amount of money, right? At least you don't have to pay that amount of money. You pay your regular tax, but at the end of the day, you can't end up pay more at the end of the day. But you have to make sure, say, you have all of your expenses them together, so it won't be so hard on you at the end of the year. Okay? So that is just my tips. And remember, I'm gonna put a little note some aside, okay? For rainy day. No spend off everything. No spend off it. Let me tell you something, guys. When you know say me barely shop, me not shop for purpose. When you see me now, I clothes them all the time. I saw me grow up at Jamaica. When me a little pitney, one little scandal bag of clothes. I have a lot of clothes now because I have 2 closets, plus me have 2 dresser. I have 3 closets, plus me have 2 dresser. Yeah, 3 closets and 2 dresser. So enough clothes me have. Enough clothes that whole heap of clothes. But I'm just saying this to say, me repeat my clothes them, and if you don't see me na them 50 times on my page, I film me them. I mean like nice things, me buy quality material. So when we rewash them, they still look new, they don't wash out and look old. You understand? So I might close them, and if you don't see me in here a million times on them, I film me them, and nobody can tell me nothing. Now follow nobody and go buy 1 dozen 100 piece of Shein clothes, but the material sometimes, I see them a post on videos say the material them are sicking people and all them. Some them buy cotton, nice, genuine material stuff, put by my skin. Okay? So if you see me in my clothes, I saw me grow. One little skin bag of clothes every day, I used to the river and wash it. Yeah. I'm proud of it. Me not complain, just I tell you no. So, not complain. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Big up on yourself. Don't forget to hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Please remember to share on the thoughts in the comment section and share my videos with friends and family. Okay? Mwah. Love you, guys. Bye bye. Tell me if me give you any little scoop or if you learn a thing or two over here, you're not afraid to tell me. Wanna be honest now. Wanna be honest, cause a lot of Jamaican watch me. But me watch people too. I watch people too, I mean I always comment, but me will like them video. Me will like them video because people now see that in the comment section. Sometimes me watch some things and me say, me like this. And sometimes we comment, sometimes we no comment because me want to take time out to know the person before me get into it. So me know say somehow know they over here. Watch my page because I don't want to see if me I go outburst and go along like me not no sense. What you see and what you get. You know? Now I go say me now go hurt burst. Me now go say that. I mean a human being and if people mash me can we get upset too. But loving you guys. Big up on yourself. Bye bye.